Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. If you're a fan of poetry, then this is something that you should definitely have in your home. I have always been a huge fan of Shel Silverstein. I grew up reading all of his books and I love his poems and the illustrations that go along with them. I've always thought they were just so funny and special and unique. I grew up reading them from my sister's collection, and once I started collecting books myself, I definitely wanted to add this to my library shelves. I love this edition because it is a special with 12 new unpublished poems, and it is this beautiful gold dust jacket. And the book itself is this matte black with the classic Shel Silverstein autograph across the front. This book is just so beautiful, and I love having it as part of my home library. And I think that it's a fine addition to anyone's home. So, whether you have read Shel Silverstein's books before or you're just now getting into his work, this is definitely something that you should pick up. And that is my point of view.